Top 7 SUVs to buy in 2025 and 5 to avoid essential guide. If you're in the market for a new SUV in 2025, knowing which models to consider and which to avoid is crucial. With advancements in technology, safety, and performance, the SUV market is evolving rapidly. Some models offer excellent value, efficiency, and innovation, while others fall short in reliability, features, or overall performance. This guide highlights 7 of the best SUVs to buy in 2025 and 5 that you should avoid. Whether you're looking for a hybrid, an electric SUV, or a full-size family hauler, this list will help you make an informed decision. In today's video, we'll be highlighting the 7 best and 5 worst SUVs you must know before buying in 2025. But before I continue, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. It will help me to grow up. The 7 best SUVs of 2025. Mazda CX-70. The Mazda CX-70 is one of the most well-balanced SUVs of the 2025, offering luxury, performance, and efficiency in a single package. This 2-row mid-size SUV slots between the smaller CX-50 and the larger CX-90. Catering to buyers who want a sportier driving experience without sacrificing practicality. Powering the CX-70 is a plug-in hybrid powertrain that delivers an impressive 323 horsepower, providing strong acceleration and smooth power delivery. With an electric-only range of approximately 26 miles, it allows for short trips without using gasoline, making it an excellent choice for urban commuters looking to cut fuel costs. Inside, the CX-70 features Mazda's signature premium interior with high-quality materials, a clean dashboard layout, and advanced technology, including a large touchscreen infotainment system and a fully digital gauge cluster. The cabin is spacious and offers ample cargo room, making it ideal for road trips or daily errands. The SUV also boasts Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent handling and traction in all conditions. Safety is another strong point, with Mazda equipping the CX-70 with adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Overall, this SUV strikes a perfect balance between performance, efficiency, and luxury, making it a standout choice in 2025. Toyota Grand Highlander. The Toyota Grand Highlander is a perfect option for families looking for extra space and comfort. Unlike the standard Highlander, the Grand Highlander offers an expanded third row that comfortably accommodates adults, making it one of the roomiest 3-row SUVs available. Toyota offers multiple powertrain options, including a fuel-efficient hybrid that delivers over 34 miles per gallon, reducing long-term operating costs without sacrificing power. The Grand Highlander is packed with Toyota's latest technology, including a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital instrument cluster, and a comprehensive suite of safety features under Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. The cabin is filled with high-quality materials and thoughtful touches, such as USB ports in all 3 rows and a panoramic sunroof. With a comfortable ride, advanced features, and Toyota's legendary reliability, the Grand Highlander is one of the best family SUVs for 2025. Rivian R2. For those looking to transition to an electric SUV without sacrificing adventure, the Rivian R2 is an outstanding option. Designed as a smaller and more affordable alternative to the larger Rivian R1S, the R2 offers an estimated 300-mile range, all-wheel drive, and Rivian's renowned off-road capability. This makes it perfect for drivers who want an eco-friendly SUV that can handle rough terrain. The R2's design remains true to Rivian's unique aesthetic, featuring a sleek, futuristic look with signature LED lighting. Inside, the cabin is equipped with sustainable materials, a massive touchscreen, and a minimalist yet functional design. The R2 also boasts innovative features, such as a gear tunnel for extra storage and advanced driver assistance technology for highway driving. Priced around $45,000, the Rivian R2 offers incredible value for those looking for an adventure-ready electric SUV. Jeep Recon. The Jeep Recon is an all-electric off-road SUV that stays true to Jeep's adventurous roots. Designed to compete with the Ford Bronco and Land Rover Defender, the Recon features removable doors and roof panels, making it a true open-air experience for off-road enthusiasts. Jeep has equipped the Recon with all-terrain tires, skid plates, and a high ground clearance, ensuring that it can tackle the most challenging trails. With an estimated range of over 300 miles and instant electric torque, the Recon delivers quick acceleration and exceptional off-road performance. Its advanced four-wheel drive system, combined with Jeep's select terrain drive modes, allows for superior traction on mud, sand, and snow. Inside, the SUV boasts a rugged yet modern cabin with a large infotainment screen, premium materials, and spacious seating. The Jeep Recon is the perfect choice for off-road enthusiasts looking for an electrified adventure vehicle. Hyundai Ioniq 7. The Hyundai Ioniq 7 is a futuristic electric SUV designed for families who want spaciousness combined with cutting-edge technology. Built on Hyundai's advanced eGMP platform, it offers a 300-mile range and ultra-fast charging capabilities, allowing for a 10 to 80% charge in under 20 minutes. This makes it one of the most convenient electric SUVs for long road trips. The Ioniq 7 features a 3-row layout, providing generous seating for 7 passengers. The cabin is designed with high-end materials, including sustainable and eco-friendly fabrics. Its technology suite includes an augmented reality head-up display, a fully digital dashboard, and advanced driver assistance features. Hyundai has also incorporated autonomous driving functions, making long-distance travel more comfortable and safe. With its spacious interior, long range, and innovative features, the Ioniq 7 is an excellent electric SUV for families. Ford Expedition. For those who require the power and towing capability of a full-size SUV, the Ford Expedition remains a top contender in 2025. Featuring a twin-turbo V6 engine with up to 440 horsepower, it delivers impressive towing capacity and performance. With seating for up to 8 passengers, a spacious cargo area, and advanced technology, it's an excellent choice for large families, road trips, and heavy-duty hauling. Kia EV9. The Kia EV9 is a standout electric SUV that blends futuristic design with practical features. With a spacious 3-row layout, a 300-mile battery range, and a cutting-edge digital dashboard, it showcases Kia's commitment to innovation. Advanced AI-assisted driving, rapid charging capabilities, and Kia's industry-leading 10-year warranty make the EV9 a smart investment for those looking for a reliable and high-tech electric SUV. The 5 worst SUVs to avoid in 2025. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer has long been a favorite among mid-size SUV buyers. But in 2025, it continues to struggle with reliability and build quality issues that make it a poor choice compared to its competition. One of the most significant problems with the Explorer is its troublesome transmission, which has been a point of frustration for many owners in recent years. The 10-speed automatic transmission frequently experiences rough shifting, hesitation, and unexpected jerking motions, making for an unpleasant and sometimes unsafe driving experience. Beyond transmission issues, the Explorer also suffers from various electrical system failures. The infotainment system is prone to glitches, freezing, and unresponsiveness, while other electronic components, such as power seats, climate controls, and the power liftgate, are known to malfunction. The overall interior quality is another letdown, with cheap-feeling materials, rattling panels, and seat upholstery that wears out faster than expected. Fuel economy is another weak point. While Ford offers a hybrid version, real-world efficiency often falls below expectations, making the Explorer less economical than rivals such as the Toyota Highlander Hybrid or Honda Pilot. Additionally, ride quality isn't as smooth as it should be for a family SUV, with a suspension that feels stiff and unrefined on rough roads. Given these issues, the Explorer is difficult to recommend in 2025 when there are far better mid-size SUV options available. GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain might look stylish on the outside, but it struggles to deliver in nearly every other category. One of its most significant shortcomings is its underpowered base engine, a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that produces only 175 horsepower. This leaves the Terrain feeling sluggish, especially during highway merging and overtaking. Since GMC discontinued the optional 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, there is no longer a more powerful alternative available, making acceleration feel particularly weak. The Terrain's interior also fails to impress. GMC markets itself as a premium brand, but the materials used in the cabin don't reflect that. Hard plastics dominate the dashboard and door panels, and the overall design feels outdated. The infotainment system is serviceable but lacks the speed and responsiveness found in competing models. Cargo space is also subpar for the segment, making the Terrain less practical than rivals such as the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4. Chevrolet Trailblazer. The Chevrolet Trailblazer is another SUV that underdelivers in 2025, suffering from poor performance, limited interior space, and an overall lack of value. One of its biggest weaknesses is its weak engine options. The base model comes with a tiny 1.2-liter three-cylinder engine that produces just 137 horsepower, making it one of the least powerful SUVs on the market. Even the slightly larger 1.3-liter engine doesn't provide much improvement, struggling to keep up with highway speeds or handle steep inclines effectively. Inside, the Trailblazer feels cramped, particularly in the rear seats, which lack sufficient legroom for taller passengers. Cargo space is also limited, and while the rear seats fold down, they don't create a fully flat loading area, making it less practical than competitors. The ride quality is another issue, with a stiff suspension that makes every bump and pothole feel more pronounced. Lincoln Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is positioned as a luxury mid-size SUV, but it fails to live up to expectations in key areas such as reliability, interior quality, and overall driving refinement. One of the most concerning issues is the hybrid powertrain, which has been known for battery-related failures, software glitches, and inconsistent power delivery. These reliability concerns make it a risky choice, especially for buyers looking for long-term dependability. Despite being marketed as a luxury SUV, the Aviator's ride quality is inconsistent. The suspension is overly soft, leading to excessive body roll when cornering, which can be unsettling for drivers expecting a stable ride. Inside, while the cabin looks upscale at first glance, it lacks true high-end materials. Hard plastics in lower areas feel out of place for a vehicle that costs well over $60,000. And the infotainment system is outdated compared to rivals from BMW, Audi, and Volvo. Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada remains one of the most outdated full-size SUVs in 2025. While its powerful V8 engine provides strong towing capabilities, it also results in one of the worst fuel economies in its class, averaging just 16 mpg. At a time when most automakers are focusing on fuel efficiency and hybrid technology, Nissan's failure to modernize the Armada's powertrain makes it feel like a relic of the past. The Armada also struggles with outdated technology. Its infotainment system feels clunky and outdated, lacking the responsiveness and features found in competitors like the Ford Expedition and Chevrolet Tahoe. The interior, while spacious, doesn't offer the same level of luxury or convenience as rivals, and the third-row seating is surprisingly tight for an SUV of this size. The best SUVs of 2025, including the Mazda CX-70, Rivian R2, and Kia EV9, pre-tuned, deliver exceptional value, innovation, and reliability. On the other hand, models like the Ford Explorer and Nissan Armada fail to offer the efficiency and modern features needed to compete. Before making your decision, consider long-term reliability, resale value, and driving needs. A well-informed choice will ensure you drive an SUV that meets your expectations and lasts for years to come.